welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be starting and showing you how to use this Dart Dev tools. So let's start. When you make your Flutter, run your Flutter project, you should get something like this. Dart Dev tools includes additional tools for debugging. So let's open that. Okay, we get some options. Let's open the DevTools in the browser. This will open this in the browser. Now if you're on Android Studio, that's built in. Now sometimes, like if you have actually pressed on the never show, just go come here and then just go Dart Dev Tools and then open DevTools like that, and you can do it. So in here, this is a widget tree. So that's basically the same thing is what we've made in the main Dart. So we've made my app and some stuff. We have the layout explorer. For the scaffold, we can actually see my app. We actually can see. So there's actually slow animations. Actually paint rainbow, so you can actually see performance of your application. So as you can see the performance, your memory, right, and your network, your login and app size. So let's actually, you need to just click on that and just choose an your application. So you can do a lot of stuff with this. And the second thing I want to show you is custom widgets. So we've been using as you can see, we have made this button which we click. What's this? So as you can see, that's because of the Dart Dev tools. We get something like this: search, center. We can search, and I'm gonna choose this. Then you can see it's rich text. Basically, material design, what that does is it takes it to base Flutter, which is rich text. Let's search again. Let's choose this app bar. As you can see, we get some stuff. So to stop that, you can just say come here. This is your Flutter outline. Click on Dart Dev tools, and you can actually open up widget inspector right here. Instead of seeing something like this, you can see it right here. What this does is basically copies everything. Now sometimes you may reuse something. For example, you have this text widget which you are using a lot. Maybe this text widget has a style you need that you want to reuse a lot, or maybe this button that you've given a custom style to. So we are going to be making a custom widget to do that. So currently, if you click on this change but name, that changes to coding 1101. Yeah, so that changes to coding 1101, and that's how. So as you can see, so it changes because if you scroll down, we have just set some state. That's going to be our name, and that name is actually some set state. So we are setting the state. We have some if statement. So if name is already equal to coding 1101, we're going to set the state to be coding 1101 and if the set state name is equal to else, because if it's else, then it's mostly going to be coding 1101, so it's going to change back to coding 1101. And now what I'm going to do is just give this text some style. So I'm going to just give it some style just to demonstrate this. For example, font size can be increased. Font size 24, just to give it a little bit bigger. Size, search for something like that, because we don't. So change name, we get a bigger size, and maybe we can actually change the font weight to be bold and what have you. Let's save that, and maybe we want some stuff. So like if we come to PubSpec YAML, we should have Google Fonts, so we can use that. So maybe we can actually import Google Fonts. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this style in Google Fonts dot Poppins error invalid constant, so we need to remove that in there. Then we can actually specify a text style and paste in our text style and save that, and that looks not different. No, you can actually hot restart this. Let's hot restart. Yes, that's changed. We don't need that actually anymore because, and yeah, that looks good. So that's a style for our button. Change name. Now what you can do is, maybe you want to use the style for something else. Maybe you have pens or these column, so you can make a widget, custom widget, and that you can use. So make a new stateless widget, and I'm gonna call this, or you can even make it stateful depending. So if you actually wanted to make this button, we can make it stateful, and what we could do is copy this text button in a stateful widget, take that state and put it in that stateful widget, just use that widget there, and yeah, so this code will actually go down. I'll just call it button text for button, something like that. Then what you need to do is just cut that text because that's what I need. I'll paste it instead of that. I'll put that semicolon, save that for the child. I'll give it that text for button. Let's put it that way. Save. We get hot restart. It still stays the same mostly. Yes, that's staying the same. Now just to be sure, let's say colors dot white, and that changed. Now that's actually, so if you click on that, and that's changing. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, be sure to watch all my videos, subscribe to my channel, and watch the next video.